Hey folks, so we are on Route A of the BVMC for 2019. Just coming through the first checkpoint. The weather is stunning, really beautiful day. Not too hot, a little bit overcast, a little bit cool, but dry. So we're currently about 9k in, better late than never, and heading up Trekitt. This is a pretty long stinking climb, but we've got all the time in the world. So we did Trekitt, which is beautiful. Long old climb up to that. Then we ran all across the top of that ridge there, came back down through the forestry and into checkpoint 3. Just stocked up on water, so super full little bladders. And now we are starting the climb up to Trekitt. So we'll stay on this road for a couple of k, and then it goes through a farm and turns into a long winding path. It goes up the side of the mountain. It's a long slog. This is probably the longest climb, although not the steepest, but it's probably the most scenic and it's beautiful. So I'll show you what it looks like when we get up there. This is what I meant by it's one of the more scenic climbs of the whole route. It's gorgeous, so we're going to keep heading straight up that valley all the way back. I'm going to end up there somewhere. What a stunning day. Why would you want to be anywhere else? I have just stopped for a little date and banana bread break. Look at that view. Oh my god. It's the most stunning thing. I've made a makeshift chest strap out of my running vest. Guys, you'd love this. Hopefully it's not too bouncy. Hi. Yeah, pretty good.
Are you filming now?
That's it, we're at the top of Lord Hereford's Knob, and pretty much the last climb we've got to do is just down there and then up the top to Hay Bluff, which is very high. So now we're just going to run down here, down to the Gospels Pass checkpoint, fill up some water bottles, eat some banana bread, and head out onto the last stretch down the Offers Dyke to back down to Lantoni. Excellent! See you in a bit. So that's Hay Bluff down there, came up just after Gospels Pass, came up Hay Bluff, and now we've got the last 15k along the gorgeous Offers Dyke path. Not much more elevation from now on at all. It's all pretty much downhill and smooth sailing from here. Touch wood. And if all goes well, I will see you at the end. Bye! Hi, Bubba! Come on! Here! Hey guys!
Have you got that in the box?
Fab.
There you go.
Thank you very much.